everyone, welcome to one more video from 161 Power Sports, and in this video we're talking about the Tao Motor, the Hellcat 125. As you can see, it's a mini motorcycle right here, kind of the Grum clones right here. It's made by Tao Motor. It's a 125cc single cylinder 4-stroke engine. It's carbureted CDI ignition type engine. Let's take a closer look. Let me show you the handlebars first. So it's got a standard size handlebar with choke lever right here with easy access. It's got your clutch lever right here. It's got 1 down and 3 up, so 4-speed transmission, manual type. Front brakes right here. They're disc brakes right here. It's got 12-inch wheels up front. Inverted forks already come standard. They used to have like regular forks before, but they've already changed it on the 2023 models. It's got 1.5 gallon gas tank, gives you roughly right about 70 miles to the gallon. It's very nice on that. And it's got disc brakes in the back as well, right here. So hydraulic disc brakes with the same 12-inch wheel package. It's chain driven. It's got your rear brake key system right here. It's got passenger pegs. Now you might be wondering how big this bike is. So this one's right at about, the seat height is right at about like 30 inches. Right here. I'm about 5'10", and I can ride this with being flat-footed. It's a great learner's bike. It's got most of the parts that are compatible with Honda Grums. It's a really nice bike, and the price point is absolutely amazing. It's going on for right about like $13.99, so $1,400 will get you this bike. We're able to ship this nationwide, assembled or in a crate. That's not a problem at all. It's fully street legal. It's got the DOT packages on it. It's got the blinkers right here, headlights, your kill switch mechanism right here for safety. That's engine stop and that's engine run. Headlights turn on when you flick it to the left, and it turns off when you switch it over to the right. Push button start, so you hold the brake, push this button, make sure you're in neutral, and you'll be able to start it up. Now if you're in gear, you'd have to pull this clutch. Flashers right here, high beam, low beam control, choke lever like we discussed, blinker controls, and you push it in the middle to be able to like turn it off. Horn right here. Comes with sets of 2 keys. You can twist it all the way to the left, the handlebar, and twist the key to be able to lock it in position. So that's a good safety feature that it has. It's got a gas tank protected with the key, so you can only open it with the key access right here, and then you just have to push down on it once you do that. So there it is. Alright, that's that, guys. So you just push on it so that way it moves the key. Muffler with the heat shield right here. Passenger pegs. It's a great dirt bike. It reaches up to speeds of 47 miles an hour. But I've got guys that have done upgrades on this one. Engine upgrades, sprocket upgrades, carburetor upgrades on it. Also, I've got even a guy who put a CG 250cc engine on it. I think it's by the same company. It's a TBR7, and you could put that in there as long as you can make sure the motor mount bolts and all that extra stuff lines up very good. So there's tons of upgrade options available. You can definitely Google some options. You can call us at 469-669-1313, and we can go over that with you guys. So carburetor upgrades, gear upgrades, motor upgrades, all that's available with this model. Very popular bike, and it's on sale for $13.99 with us at 161 Power Sports. Like I said, we ship nationwide. We can have it shipped in a box or assembled. That's not a problem. Street legal. As a Texas dealer, we're able to like get this thing one tag, title, register under your name. It's not a problem at all. For anybody that's out of state, we can provide you with bill of sale, certificate of origin, notarized, not notarized, depending on the DMV's requests and requirements. We're able to provide that with the purchase, so you'd be able to get that going and have it street ready. We've shipped this almost to all states already, and I think except for California, it's all street legal, so that's really good. So color options, we have the white one, we also have the red one. It comes in blue as well. So give us a call at 469-669-1313, or click the description, click the link on the description below to place your order today. Alrighty guys, so we've gassed this one up, fired it up, so we'll show you guys how it rides and all that stuff. It's actually about right at about 110 degrees right now, so it's kind of really hard to shoot because iPhone gave up. It was too hot, so we had to cut the video short. But we'll try our best to make this video for you guys, okay? Let's start it up. Okay, so let's see. Alright guys, so this one is very sensitive. It's got pretty good torque on it. Even being a 125cc, can get up to speeds of like 50-55 miles an hour. Tons of upgrades available in the market for it. Insurance, Texas liability insurance is as low as like $7 a month, so that's very affordable, and it's not going to cost you guys too much on that. Now, some of the major advantages of this bike, number one is definitely the price point at $1,400. Number two is very easy to transport it, so you can put it in the back of a pickup and haul it wherever you want to go, and then just put it back down and just go ride around the city. It should be no problem. It'll be really nice and convenient to do that. Only weighs 200 pounds, so easy to throw it in the truck, pull it down, or if you go into some type of event, you can use this. People have used this in like swap meets and stuff like that, and found it a lot of fun. Then instead of walking and stuff like that, so that's just an idea, but you can use it wherever you want. Now, only thing is, if you're trying to do stunts with it, trying to go full speed on it, and trying to explore what the maximum this bike can give, I would recommend you Loctite and go over all the bolts, make sure everything is secured, so that way you don't have issues with it being like falling off and stuff like that. So definitely keep an eye out on that. Do your oil changes in time, and maintain the battery. Don't let it sit up long periods of time without cranking it. So I would say just either take out the battery, drain out all the gas, or if you plan on not riding it for too long, then just start it every now and then. It's got carburetor on it, so ethanol gas is really hurtful for the carburetor, especially if you let it sit for over 10 to 15 days. So as long as you keep up with those type of maintenance, I think you'll be all set, guys. Now let's ride some more.